There was a time when I joined a group that they call I Hate Single Mothers. Well, I'm over here single daddy with the kids. While baby mama going through what she going through. It's impacting the kids in me. So yeah, I hate a single. I'm a single daddy.
Oh, damn.
But I'm in the house with my baby sister who's a loving single mother. I'm raised by a loving single mother. Because of what I'm going through, I done joined in with these ass niggas talking about I hate single mother. Until my sister started seeing it online. Yeah. Yeah. And then my mama asked me one day, she said, son, you must hate your mama. I said, why, mama? She said, because of things you saying online and your sister's hearing it. They're seeing it.
Wow. Well, we're gonna ask mom.
Yeah, my mama had me that.
I can't wait to ask your mama everything.
Yeah,
it's gonna be interesting to see.
That's what checked me. That's what checked me. How can I say these things and I got a mama, a sister, and a daughter looking and listening? Yeah. So that's how you know.